You could use Feel Index to track calories, macros, and nutrition like other apps, but Feel Index is designed to give you so much more. Feel Index wants to make sure that while you're losing weight and while you're getting in shape, you feel good, because isn't that the whole point? And during this process, you're probably going to have a lot of questions. Who are you going to ask? Feel Index has an AI coach that you can ask questions. What's also true is that while general rules like macros and calories do make sense, everyone is different. So Feel Index lets you log medical conditions, medications, supplements, exercise, and even fasts, while it synchronizes with the data on your devices and on your phone. So that when the AI coach provides you insights or trends, or you ask it questions, that information is tailored to you. So let's take a look at how it works. When you initially set up Feel Index, you can add your medical conditions if you have any, and these can be major or minor medical conditions like gout or even allergies. You then give it approval to connect to your Apple Health Kit so it can synchronize data with your device. And then you can add any medications or supplements that you take and even set reminders to take those. This is the main Feel Index dashboard. Here you can see summaries of all your key information. You can click on Log How I Feel, and it gives you the option to add entries for both morning and evening check-ins, because most likely you will feel different in the morning than you do in the evening. So that's the best way to track it, but it's up to you. You can log your food via quick entries using voice, text, barcode scans, and you can log any symptoms that you might be having: headaches, soreness, achy joints, or anything. Your progress is tracked according to your goals. And you can have week-long snapshots, month-long snapshots, and even longer. The bottom navigation lets you quickly navigate to any key area of Feel Index. If you click on Diary, you can see a summary of all the key information that you collected for the day. And you can even go backwards and log the previous day's entries if you forgot to log them. Here's a summary of my exercise. I'm on an intermittent fast, so I haven't logged any food yet, but I can do that directly from this window as easily as I can from the main window. I can log snacks, I can log medications, I can log my supplements as well. Now here's an interesting characteristic for supplements. Once you go to enter your supplements, if you've pre-entered your supplements or medications, they're all stored for you on the settings page. And so you can log them very easily just by clicking Take Now and not have to re-enter each of the items. My sleep, my health metrics I'm synchronizing are all stored here on the diary page. There's even a summary of any symptoms that I may be logging. And finally, my inflammation tracking, according to the medically approved DII inflammation database. Once a day, I'll get daily insights from our AI health coach. I'll also get them weekly and monthly. However, if I have a coach, I can ask a limited number of questions. And all of my health data will be included when I ask the question, so that the AI coach has a full picture of who I am and can provide an answer specifically tailored to my particular situation and my goals. If you'd like more insights than just one, you can always update those insights manually. On the social page, as well as from the main dashboard, you can share your Feel Index with your social media. On the settings page, we can manually adjust our nutrition goals, as well as control what applications Feel Index can synchronize with, adjust your medications and supplements, or make any account modifications.